Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to your daily Litecoin update, or at least that's what it seems like almost. Because I've covered Litecoin every day for the last, I don't know, 4 or 5 days or so. But it was needed again today because, well, yesterday in the analysis, what we talked about was potentially actually getting some sort of a fourth wave and bullish pullback up towards $90. That's what we talked about. But then what we actually got in the evening is a massive bearish breakout, which I didn't expect. All right, I did expect, and we've talked about that a lot. Most of you who actually watched my videos and who trusted me expected a dump after the halving, which happened. But I thought $84 and $86 would actually hold us for a little bit longer, and that we would only see $82 and $80 a little bit later. I do think, like I posted a technical analysis on Litecoin yesterday as well in the Telegram group. I do think there I said that it was a possibility to drop down below $84, but I personally did not expect that. So I also had to adjust my Elliott wave structure for now. And that's what we'll talk about, all right? So I don't want to spill everything I have to say before we dive into the rest of the Litecoin analysis. I do want to tell you as well that I have my own premium trading group in which I share all of my trades, and I'm a profitable trader. You get access to an exclusive chat room of traders, and you also gain access to my trading guide, which I spent a lot of hard work on, and it will teach you everything you need to know about my strategy and how to get started with trading. But now actually let's get into Litecoin, because that's obviously why you're here. So what we're seeing right now is an extreme loss of momentum. Yesterday, this is like the volume is down 25%. That's already like a little bit less than what it actually should be, because we actually had this massive sell order around 12 a.m. last night in my time zone at least, and this was around $60 million. Not sold, but traded in 5 minutes. So that's a huge sell order. Before that, the volume actually dropped down towards $518 million, which is a lot of money. But that's a huge decrease in volume. Like right now, the volume is at 640 million, and it's down 25%. So it's probably dropping down even lower, and that means we're losing momentum, which is bearish in this case, all right? Because we had quite a lot of momentum right here, and that also caused all the bullish momentum. And without that volume, you don't have the chance to actually recover. So that's what's going on right now. Now, in terms of an Elliott wave structure, I actually think, and that is also, it's also better this way, but I actually think that this was the entire third wave now, and that now, all right, we hit that support level, which we talked about earlier, between $82 and $80. I do expect some support from here, all right? Unless Bitcoin all of a sudden drops down to 28,400, which is a possibility. I mean, then Litecoin will just drop down to $77, which I will probably buy from, by the way. But for now, I still do expect some sort of a fourth wave up to this level at $86 and $85, after which we can continue down with a fifth wave down towards this massive support level between $76 and $78, because ultimately, that is right now the price target, which, well, I'm not necessarily aiming for, but I do expect that will drop down there. I mean, Litecoin right now, like I said, we've had a massive amount of bearish confirmations. The volume is dropping down, which is bearish in this case. Bitcoin is showing bearish momentum on the short term, but on the longer term, it also is bearish. So all of the factors are pointing towards a continuation of the bearish market structure. And personally, I like Litecoin a lot, right? I would love it to be bullish again. And if I actually think it will be bullish by breaking above $86, I'll tell you that. But at this point in time, there's absolutely no indication that tells us anything like that. So that's why I expect what I expect. All right, that's my take on Litecoin. That's what you have to do it with. If you do have any questions though, or if you want to discuss that, I'm always open for that down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.